Hello everyone, I am Shankar Rajput. Today is date 23 of May 2024. My today's topic name is the object life cycle in Java. The object precedent meanings they exist in memory util they destroy, then the that break uh, life in the object into the three phase creation creation of the initialization and use and initialization and use the distribution object life cycle. Uh, Rotation the allow the creation and the distribution of life uh, of the circle reference life cycle methods the assert, associated with a object allow the control that happen when the object creation and destroy this the session distribution in the first and the last phase of the object life cycle creation and initialization. The object reference are the creation the using of two life cycle rotation object and new and the observes. The nearly creation the object are the utilization upon the creation two way. First is the object reference is the creation based on the structure specifier. The second is the object init methods if it's as the one is called the initialization of object instance data conditional in field is defined by the class structures. Is they are the is they are the objects does not have the init methods. The object is the superclass if they are the searches for limit methods. The init methods the object is life cycle methods. Limit is the function name class limit where the class the actual name of the class the proposes the init methods the propagate of the nearly creation object with the instant data limit should be uh, returns a scalar to a value such as the initialization in the successful and the fall such as 0 the initialization fields the limits methods uns- the that is the cannot is called outside object creation operations. This means that unlike most object methods, you cannot call with methods on the object destroy. Uh, can you, however, call the object method from the within the superclass subclass allow the parameters used for the superclass limit methods along with the thus use the limits method than the object belong methods in the uh, object uh, beginning the creating practice for this upon thus using in the extra keywords. Next point is the implicit object creation in the object new function. You can the creation object reference that the new object have variable in of two way. First is the implicit object creation methods use the class name as the function. Second is the object function the object new function. The implicit methods use the names the class structure and the function that is the creation of the new object with object new use the support the name of the class, structure of the agreement, agreement and the object creation a new object. Thank you for this listening.